near Trailhead, and I'm taking a video at the Trailhead because I want to show everybody what the parking lot looks like. There's only about enough room for half a dozen cars. There's a couple more spots up here. So it's down a private road, and where you can park if you're coming in later is up at the store and walk down the private road, so to not disturb the residents. So it's just a little tip for this trailhead, and we're gonna go about 10 miles to White Ledge Camp. And there's the turnoff to go to White Ledge. You can keep going that way, up Sisar Road more. Today our goal is White Ledge Camp though. Made it to White Ledge Camp, about 4 miles and some change from the parking lot. Probably be closer to 5 from the store. Great camp spot. There's actually still plenty of water. I was very surprised, and there's enough for filtering. It's flowing, so just another good viable camp spot.